Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, my group from Group 1 and Section 9, we want to present our experiment 2 for this project. The title that given is Electrical Wiring Installation in Residential Building, Power Socket Outlet 13 ampere connected by radial and ring circuit. Here is my member for Ahmad Sofi bin Zubir Arifin and Abdul Hakiman bin Abdullah and me Fikaris bin Spali. I will pass to Abdul Hakiman to explain the introduction.
Okay, so for the introduction, our experiment 2 is learn about the wiring installation for power circuit in the house. The power circuit is a circuit that carries electricity and operate a load. The wiring installation of power circuit can be divided into two types, which is radial circuit and ring circuit. For radial circuit is a sort of permanent wiring that connect to two power point using one piece of appropriate wire, while for ring circuit is an electrical system in which distribution station that are connected in a continuous closed circuit to the main supply.
My name is Ahmad Sofi bin Zubir Arifin. Matrix number AEY90061. For house plan, this is our house plan, which is my house. Here we can see the symbol of miniature circuit breaker, outlet socket, and also fluorescent lamps. So for the result and analysis, we can see figure 3 shows diagram for wiring of power circuit according to the table 4.1. So according to the table, there are 5 MCB that connected to 8 outlet circuit scattered around the house, which is each of MCB has their own connection with the outlet circuit, with the outlet socket, which is 20 ampere MCB is connected to one outlet socket, while for 32 ampere MCB is connected to two outlet socket. Number 3, which is 20 ampere, is connected to one outlet socket. And MCB for 32 ampere is connected to two outlet socket that is located in two different rooms. And for MCB 32 ampere is connected to two outlet socket in two different rooms. And for question and answer, I will pass to Fikri Haris.
Okay, for the first question, the given is what is the difference between radial circuit and ring circuit in electrical wiring installation? So, radial circuit is a type of fixed wiring that make one piece of suitable cable from a power point to another. Meanwhile, ring circuit are come out with two independent conductors for line, neutral, and protective earth for each kinetic socket. For the next question, explain the purpose of neutral cable in electrical wiring installation. Firstly, we need to know what is the function of neutral. Neutral in a circuit, normally to complete the circuit back to source. Is connected to the ground, earth, and the main electrical panel. So, in wiring installation, neutral wire is carrying the circuit back to the original power source. It leads the circuit to the ground, easily connected with electrical panel, so it will make our circulation current through in electrical system and allows electricity to be fully organized.
So
I will pass Ahmad Sofi.
So for the discussion, as we know, MCB function is to protecting our wiring circuit if there are current overload or short circuit situation. And for this, the reason we use higher value of current for MCB is to give us space to add another outlet socket in the future. And for how the MCB working is, inside the MCB there is bimetallic strip that will hit and bend when there are current overload, and after that the MCB will trip. So for the conclusion, I will pass to Abdul Hakiman.
So for the conclusion for this experiment, we can summarize that for every electrical wiring, it is important to have a proper building plan. After perform this lab, we know that if same red wire is used in both ring and radial circuit, the ring circuit has more current capacity than radial circuit because there are two paths to any load. So for graphical diagram, it depends on the physical appearance more precisely, but it is different compared to the wiring diagram. So which this is depend to the interconnection above the physical appearance in a more symbolic manner. So wiring diagram is commonly used for troubleshoot problem and also to ensure that all connections are secure. This is to make sure that everything is function correctly. Wiring diagram also show the placement and layout for the component and its terminals on the device to support in its design. So that's all for the conclusion for the experiment. Thank you.